Humans are the only species that willingly poison themselves via their own hands. The ocean gives us costless therapy with its healing melodies. The sun gifts us life and existence, supplying energy to our food. Trees are the lungs of our planet. Breathing in and out, creating oxygen with love in an intelligent plan of creation. But we are still living in an insane world, which is getting crazier and crazier every day. Who are these people, and what are they saying? I was among them, recording these shots and hearing their voices. They must be concerned about something threatening the future, kids, health and beyond. But what is it? This is me going to a supermarket. Overthinking about the world we are living in. But for now, let us buy the most ancient food for us, humans. Bread from all styles and brands. Most of them have oil, as if they should. Sunflower oil, $4 per liter on special. Canola oil, $8 per liter. Whoa. Let me check the ingredients. Canola oil. This one. Canola oil. Another brand. Canola oil. This one. Canola oil again. Oh, of course. Canola oil. Canola oil. Yep. True. Canola oil. Moving to this part. Canola oil for sure. Let me go there. Oh, sunflower oil? Is it? Nope, definitely not. Canola oil. And even in the snacks. Wonderful. I was disappointed after I was not able to find even one brand without canola oil, and I decided to go back to my home empty-handed. Everyone is looking for the cure, but no one is looking for the cause. Out of hundreds of links, articles, and websites, hours and hours of reading, listening, and pondering, I am just referring you to what is found on internet. Let us learn and study together. Let's make our own bread with healthy oil. I am simply using my bread making machine to save time and energy, especially with my busy lifestyle. I use organic wholemeal spelt flour as the healthiest option available, and natural pink salt and olives, monk fruit powder, not sugar, extra virgin olive oil following this order. We can use more herbs like oregano and more seeds here. The machine knows its work and does it in stages. Not bad. You can also add protein and cocoa powder with a little bit of butter. Let it knead. Make your own bread and enjoy.